So what's up, my money TV? That's so great. Anyways, what? Dang, his braid keep falling. Oh, y'all do not pay attention to the background. I hope y'all can see me. What's up, my money TV? So I've been on YouTube all day, and I've just been sitting around all day. So I watched some videos on some rice water, and I seen some girls like their hair started off like this, and now it's like humongous. And a girl said it only took her about 6 months for her to get her hair like that. I don't know if her hair, not her hair, but I don't know if they telling the story or not, but we're gonna try it. Now, I'm not bald headed, I'm not bald, but I want my hair to be bigger. Like, you can never go wrong with big hair. I want my hair to be bigger. I'll show y'all some pictures of how it look. It'll be somewhere on the screen. But yeah, I want my hair to be bigger, so I'm about to go and attempt to make some rice water. I heard that you have to clean it first, then, you know, y'all gonna see when I do it. I know the steps, and I put them on the screen. I think I want to do a voiceover, so voiceover might be coming, because I don't want to talk while I'm in the kitchen, because like it's like a whole bunch of noise in the kitchen right now anyways. So they're watching TV in the living room, and you can hear all that, and I don't want that to be in the video, so it's probably gonna be a voiceover. So y'all get ready to make this rice water. Okay, so first thing you do, you start off with some white rice or brown rice. It don't matter what kind of rice you have, as long as you have some rice. So we just pour it into a strainer. This strainer had big holes in it, so like my rice started to fall out the bottom a little bit. But yeah, this is the rice in the strainer, and I wasted it, and I got a little scared. But yeah, just keep going. Watch the next clip. Okay, so now we're just cleaning the rice to get any like factory crap off of it, because the factory, I heard that the factory put like chemicals on it. So I'm just washing off all the chemicals from the rice so that none of it will actually be in my hair. Now I'm showing y'all what the wet rice looks like, and it's like so satisfying, y'all. Like, it's satisfying. Okay, so now we're grabbing a small container and dumping our rice into it. This is just to, this is what we're going to use for the rice water. It's going to be a container that we use for it to stay overnight. Okay, so now I'm just using filter water from my refrigerator. I didn't want to use the faucet water. I don't know why, but we're just using filter water and filling it all the way up to the top, and that is basically it. Now I'm just stirring around my rice to get the nutrients into the water. This won't be all the nutrients yet because it has to soak into it, but this just helps some of the nutrients come out of the rice. Turns your water like cloudy looking, and just keep stirring. I'm sorry, I got candy in my mouth, and that's a bad idea. So this is what it looks like, and I'm just using my fist, my knuckles, to punch down the rice to get some of the nutrients out, to help some of the nutrients flow into the water. Now I'm just using using a lemon. You can use either a lemon or an orange or essential oils, anything that's good for your hair, your skin, stuff like that. Basically, what this is about is to kill the smell, because the rice with the water stinks. So the lemon peels are to kill the smell. So we're just killing the smell, and after that, it smelled really, really good. Okay, so I made the rice water. So now we have to wait 24 hours until it smells good too, because I had to put orange peels in it. Well, I'll explain that in the voiceover, but I'm still gonna tell y'all now. I had to put orange peels in it so it won't stink, because I heard that rice water stink bad, and it smells good now. But yeah, I heard it stink bad, so I had to put well, most people put orange peels in it, but I ain't have any oranges, so I put some lemon peels in it, so that still worked. But we're gonna check back in the morning, because it's just like kind of clear right now, and we're gonna see how much more, you know, it had to be room temperature. We got to see how much more cloudy it can get, because it's not like super cloudy right now. It's just like kind of clear. So you have to leave it to 3 to 24 hours, but I'm gonna leave mine 24 hours so it could be fermented. I think that's the word. They say that regular rice water works, but fermented rice water works better. So we're gonna use this stuff on my hair for about a month until I take down my braids, and then we're gonna see how much my hair has grown. Y'all, it's hot in my room. I gotta cut the fan on, but I'm talking right now. Yeah, so we're back. I'll be back in the morning to see how cloudy it get, and then I'll use the rice water. I use it, I think if I have time in the morning, I use it, and then we're gonna use it every day until I take these braids down. Then I'll make another video on how much my hair has grown. I'll insert a video of how big it was before, you know, a clip in the video, the next video. But this will just be a separate video, and then the next video will be a separate video, so I have something to do, because I haven't had anything to do. But now I have something to do. So like I said, oh, hold on, wait. It is so hot. Oh my god. Okay. Alright. Anyways, what I was saying was, next video will be how much my hair has grown from January I don't know when I got this done in January. My hair is gonna be, I'll take this down in February, because it's still like new. I only had it up for about 2 weeks, so we're gonna see how much this rice water will grow my hair, and I'm gonna keep using it, and I'm gonna keep using it if it works, and I got a feeling it's gonna work. I hope it works. So I'll be back in the morning, because gotta leave this for 20, well, basically I'm not gonna leave mine for 24 hours, but it's gonna be for more than 3 hours, so it should be fermented, and it should be super cloudy. So yeah, we'll be back in the morning, see how cloudy it get. Then I probably use it tomorrow night. Yeah, if I use it tomorrow night, then that'll be 24 hours. Smart. I'm not gonna use it in the morning because it might stink. So I use it at night, so it can stink at night, and it won't stink when I go to school. So we're gonna use this every day. We're gonna see how much my hair grows, and then the next video will be about this video is about how to make rice water, but we're gonna see the next video will be about how much my hair has grown with rice water. I think that'll be 2 good videos, because people get these videos are popular. These some popular videos, but like I said, we'll be back in the morning to see. We'll be back in the morning to see how cloudy it gets, and then I'll be back after I get out of school, and then I'll, you know, put it on my hair at night, and I hope I don't forget. I don't think I'm gonna forget, but yeah, I'll be back. Good morning, people. It's about, let me see, it's about 6:57, and I said I was gonna show y'all. I'm getting ready for school right now, but I said I was gonna show y'all the rice water. I don't know if it progressed or not. It looked like it did. Do it look? Yeah. It looked like it got a little cloudier. But I said I was gonna show y'all this morning. I don't want to smell it, but I see the rice. Oh yeah, I see the rice stuff floating in it. Like, I want to get y'all see it. That's the yellow stuff is the lemon peels. But like, I can see, y'all probably can't see it on camera, but I see the rice stuff floating around in it. This better work, because today I was watching a video earlier, and a lady, she said something like, soon as I'm about to make rice water, I go on YouTube, and somebody said something wrong with rice water. Why that happened to me? That happened to me all the time. But I mean, maybe it just didn't work right for her hair. She said that her hair was dry and all that other stuff. So I'm gonna try it on my hair, and it just make sure, just see if it worked, because you can't go off what everybody else say. So dang, this stuff dry fast. But yeah, I'll be back when I get out of school. Hopefully I don't forget, because I almost forgot this morning. But I'll be back after school, like I said, and then I use it at night. Y'all not gonna be able to see the result. Basically, this video is about basically it's about how to make rice water, but I'm still gonna apply it to my face. Still gonna apply it. I mean, oh, not my face, my hair. I'm still gonna apply it to my hair. So I'll be back. Figure out. Nurse Stevens. I look so cute in the mirror, like. Okay. I'm not feeling too well right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish the video right now. So, wait, let me grab this. I'm gonna finish the video because I don't feel good, so. Oh, well, there you go. Okay, so, all I need is like a little spray bottle like this. And this, it's not the stuff yet, but I'm about to put it in there. So this video actually explains itself. This part actually explains itself. Just get a small strainer where your rice, if your rice fall through, it won't get inside the container that you're pouring your water into. Yeah, this if you had that, that'll help really good. If you have another strainer like I had in the beginning of the video, that'll help too. Now we're just pouring this. We're filling up the container, the spray bottle, and I'm just filling it all the way up to the top. And I did erase some rice water, but I still had some left over that I'm gonna put in the fridge, the refrigerator, yeah, the fridge. However you say it, anyways. I'm gonna save some for later. So you can just save the excess water for later. You know, you can just sit it in the refrigerator. I think it's open. You can just sit it in your refrigerator. Set it all the way to the back so nobody won't touch it. Ooh. Yeah. Okay, so there's nothing special about it. Let me find somewhere to set my camera up. Okay, I'll sit it right here. Please do not fall. Please do not fall. Okay, so all we doing is just, I'm scared, but all we doing is just spraying it. I need a mirror, wait. Okay, I got a small mirror. So all we doing is just spraying it in our roots. Oh, it's cold. It's better work. Just spraying it all over your hair. It smells good. Please don't make me bald. You just spray over your roots, cause spray it where you need it most. Okay, that's it. And I guess you could just massage it into your hair. Okay, so that's the end of this video. That was the rice water. It's not a long process. It kind of is, because you gotta wait 24 hours. But I'm not feeling like this. I wasn't gonna wait till 8 o'clock, but it was close to 24 hours, so it was about 19 hours. So I'm about to lay down. But hope y'all enjoyed this video. I want y'all to like, comment, subscribe, And I'll be back. Like, if you have my Instagram, I'll post on there about how much I got, like, new growth and stuff. See how much the new growth to come. And then I'll post another video about rice water and how well it works. And if it works, y'all can try it too. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back with another video.